What's going on, everyone? Welcome to a beautiful Wednesday afternoon. We're seeing a nice bounce today from our altcoins and Bitcoin. Actually, as we speak, we're getting a nice bounce off a very, very big area that I'm going to go over here very shortly, which should be good for the whole crypto market in general, barring we don't see some craziness going on within the next couple hours from Doge. But we're not going to get too far into that as we speak right now. What's going on, everybody? We got Gianni, we got Andre in here. I'm punctually late. Yeah, always 7:01, guys. I keep you guys on your toes. I do it on purpose. I come on at 7:01 on purpose. You guys ever joined? You guys ever been on, watched a sporting event? I don't know why I said sporting event. I sound like a weirdo. A sports game, and they start it like 5-10 minutes after it's supposed to be. Reason why they do that, right? Anyways. Hope you all are having Oh, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Hope you guys are having a good Tuesday. I forgot what day it was today, so it is what it is. But I hope you guys are having a good today. We're going to wait for a couple more people to get in here, and then we're going to get started today. What's going on, Jazz? Prometheus, Algo. We got the whole crew in here already, which is good to see. WifeSwap CEO. Yeah, we're starting WifeSwap. Actually, behind the scenes, I am working with a few developers to actually get WifeSwap started. It's a very confusing technology, so it might take us a few weeks to get WifeSwap started, but should be a pretty good project coming up in the next few weeks. Anyways, let's get started here with Bitcoin. Let's not waste any more time, guys. So with BTC, we're sitting at 56,550. Okay, so what we did today is we had a nice inverse head and shoulders form, right? We had our left shoulder here, we have our head, and we had our right shoulder. Absolutely freaking perfectly. Okay? Yeah, we'll take a look at elongate. You got it, Sean Locko. Hope you're having a good day, man. Yeah, but a nice inverse head and shoulders here. You broke the neckline, right? Your neckline was this green line coming across here, right here. And you broke that line, and you pumped up to the upside. And now what you just did, right? Everyone, I saw a couple people panicking. Oh, Bitcoin's dumping now. What you just did is you back tested your inverse head and shoulder neckline on the hourly chart and confirmed it as support. And now look at that. Now you're getting a decent bounce off that line. Now, what would disconfirm this inverse head and shoulders to me is if we broke this neckline back down to the downside. So if we break this green line here on an hourly close, so that sits at about 56,374. If we broke that on an hourly close, then that would be pretty bearish, right? And that kind of disqualifies this inverse head and shoulders. But if we do look up here for BTC, our measure move out of this, right? If we take our bottom of our head to our neck, bottom of our head to our neck, interesting. We put this at our breakout point, which is right here. That gives us a breakout target of about 59,350. So could be seeing a pretty nice move back up to higher prices if this does play out. Like I said, guys, to disqualify this, we would have to break down below this neckline. If we do, we could be seeing lower prices once again, okay? Also, what we did earlier today, just to touch on it, we were forming the, after getting a decent bounce here, we started to form a downwards channel, right? I wouldn't quite call it a bull flag. It's not quite a bull flag, more of a downwards channel. We actually broke out of that too, and we confirmed that as support and did continue up. So we did break out of a couple bullish patterns today. Things are looking a little more bullish than they were yesterday. But as we know, Daddy, I got to say Daddy Doge now, right? Daddy Doge, which, before we even get started today, I did want to shout out to all the Doge people, and I don't want, all the Doge people to start fighting today, right? Don't be this Doge guy. Right, don't be that guy today. If you're a Doge owner coming in here, right? We don't like that in here. We're all fam in here. We're all fam. Whether we like Bitcoin, whether we like Safe Moon, whether we like DOGECOIN, we ain't fighting today. Okay, we're having a good day today. So, anyways, that's BTC. We're waiting for that nice big pump back up to the upside here after that bullish back test. Okay, so that is that. Let's switch on over to our long-term chart for BTC. You can see right here. We did get a nice bounce here off our 10-week moving average, and we did get a nice bounce here off our 10-week moving average. last week, which I am pretty bullish about. And we're gonna go over here, starting a couple bullish things here. Kind of going over why I think, you know, this definitely could be the bottom here, and I think a lot of people are starting to realize that. Okay, so what's interesting here, if we actually look back on 2017, you can see that in 2017 we did a couple things here. So I want to first state that even if we do go lower, right, even if we go down to our 20-week moving average, we will not spend much time there. Okay, we will not spend almost no time there. Let's go back to 2017 here. You look back in 2017, right? When we did break that 10-week moving average, right, which is our blue line here, look at how much time we ended up spending below our 10-week moving average and retesting our 20, okay? Let's go back a little bit here, back down to right about here, actually. So starting in January 2017, so the whole year of 2017, right, our whole 2017 run, you can see when we broke that 10-week moving average right here, we didn't even spend a whole week below it, back tested our 20-week moving average, and got right back above our 10-week. Same thing right here. We spent after we broke our 10-week moving average, we spent 1 week below our 10-week moving average, back tested our 20-week, and then continued up. Same thing right here, right? We dipped below our 10-week for not even 1 week. Who knows how long this was, because it doesn't really, it's kind of closed below it and then pumped right back up. We didn't even spend 1 week down below it right here, right? You can see right here in 2017, we had a quick wick. So we probably spent a matter of maybe 2-3 days below it before pumping back to the upside. Right here, we didn't even go below it. We back tested our 10-week, right? So you guys can see, even if we do go to that 20-week moving average, it is so quick, and that's why I don't recommend you guys trying to sell your coins and then trying to buy back lower, because it's so quick. It happens so quick. If we do go below that 10-week, like, you will not have enough time to buy back, and you guys will just stand on the sidelines, not really knowing when to actually buy back in, okay? So that's why I don't recommend panic selling, right? Because it's going to dip below. Even if we go lower here, it's going to dip, right? And it's going to pop right back up. Well, let me get my music back up there. There we go. There we go. Popping. All right. So yeah. So even if we go below it, it's going to be like 1 week, and then we're going to pop it right back up. So I recommend hodling. You guys, obviously, you guys do whatever you want to do, right? You guys do whatever you want to do. I don't hold your money. You guys got your own portfolio to deal with, but that's just what I do, okay? Now, that is kind of the long-term chart what we're looking at right now. Right now, our 20-week moving average sits at 45,400, so that's moving up every single week here. And then our 10-week moving average right now sits at 53,364, which is only like 2,000 or so dollars away from where we are right now. So that is inching up really close to us right now, which is super good, right? We want that to stay close because that kind of lowers our floor when we have our pullback. So inherently, that's pretty good, okay? That's pretty good. Mars Boy said, nothing I believe is real. So this is all inception. This is all inception. Everything around me, all these charts are just inceptions, right? You must be a doger. All the doger is going to come out today. Anyways, Ethereum. What do we got going on with Ethereum? Ethereum looks really bullish, right? Especially if Bitcoin continues its bounce. You can see Ethereum had a nice W reversal pattern here on the 4 hour. It's almost textbook, right? Literally almost textbook. So you did hit your you didn't really hit your target all the way yet. Your target for this W pattern is 2,385, which is this next green line up here. But nevertheless, like textbook W reversal pattern here for Ethereum. Super bullish reversal pattern here. I think we had another one down here for Ethereum. Yeah, I mean, we had a couple for Ethereum. I mean, this one was pretty significant, right? We got this kind of W reversal pattern. I mean, that kind of got us back up a little higher. But we tend to do that. We tend to do that a lot, more so with Bitcoin. But I do like that for ETH. Nice double bottom W reversal pattern there. Next target, like I said, as long as Bitcoin does continue its next run up, we see 2385 for Ethereum. Ethereum looked. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. But like, Ethereum was super strong today. Like everything was kind of earlier today. Everything was kind of dipping, and then all of a sudden, Ethereum really started going. You guys can see it. Ethereum really started going today, and that kind of pushed the market pretty well. We saw a bunch of coins kind of bounce today. Chainlink, VeChain, Ethereum, and BNB were the big ones that kind of bounced today. So good to see Ethereum kind of leading the way here. I was looking at my portfolio and I was like, holy crap, Ethereum's up 9% today at one point. That's crazy for Ethereum with such a high market cap. So good day for Ethereum. Let's check out Doge here. For all you Dogers, So Doge, big dip, obviously, before I started the stream. After I scheduled the stream, it got a nice run back up towards 34 cents. The one thing I do want to say with Doge is it does have nice bullish divergence here. You're getting higher lows on your price action, lower lows on your RSI, so it probably is due for a nice relief rally here. Who knows, though, if you can't get back above this 4-hour moving average, you can see the yellow line here. It's generally what tells you your relative trend, right? When you're above it, you're generally in an uptrend. When you're below it, you're generally in a downtrend. You are getting some resistance on that right now. Right? Will flip that by the end of the year? Do I think BNB will flip Ethereum by the end of this year?
Nope.
All right. So 34.4 cents for Doge. Like I said, we got to get back over this 4-hour moving average. It looks like it is. So I think if you can get a nice move over this 24-hour moving average, you're going to see a nice bounce here for Doge, at least in the short term with this bullish divergence kind of forming here. Okay, so good stuff. All right, let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. Let's take a look at some of our bigger altcoins today and what happened. So Bitcoin up 8%, Ethereum up 6%, Binance Coin up 12%, XRP up 1%, Cardano down, Cardano up 3%, Polkadot up 1%, Litecoin flat, Bitcoin Cash up 3%. We'll take a look at our top 10 coins as usual. I do want VeChain to overtake Bitcoin Cash. I really do. Let's knock Bitcoin Cash out of the top 10. Get VeChain in there, and let's. Actually, I'm not going to say. I don't want to make the Dodgers mad today. I really don't want to make the Dodgers mad today. What's going on, Rinky? We'll check out Cardano, man. Cardano's always the first altcoin we look at. So no worries, dude. No worries, man. Yeah, we'll take a look. Prometheus said the worst thing about Doge are the social media and YouTubers who have no clue what they're talking about shilling it. I agree, man. I agree. It's all hype. They're trying to pump their own bags. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Anyways, yeah, we'll take a look at Cardano for sure, dude. Appreciate the super chats, guys. I'll get to those in just a second. Uniswap, VeChain, Chainlink up 5% today. Chainlink doing really well. Theta up 6%. My portfolio is doing really good today. My portfolio pretty much consists, for the most part, of Theta, VeChain, Chainlink, Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So my portfolio is doing pretty damn well today. Anyways, let's take a look at some of our higher cap altcoin charts here. Let's see. What's up first here? BNB. Check out Binance Coin. BNB. What do we got for BNB? Binance Coin. So it won't turn Bitcoin. Someone said Doge is going to outpass Bitcoin.
Nope.
All right. Binance Coin. What's going on with Binance Coin? You got a big rejection off a pretty critical area if you look up here. I'm going to clear this out for I mean, actually, I'm not going to clear it out because it's still somewhat relevant, right? You kind of broke out of your bull flag, back tested it, came back in a little bit, but still a back test here. And you're still pumping back up to the upside. I do like the general setup here. It looks like you are getting rejected here off your general local highs right here from April 14th, okay? And now you're pulling back, right? And you just hit, you just came back down, back tested your previous resistance back here from April 15th, where you couldn't get over. So bullish back test there. As like I said, as long as Bitcoin doesn't take a major jump on the market, Binance Coin should get back up to its highs eventually, right? Eventually, not going to say it's going to happen tonight, but should get back up to its highs at 637 if this can be a nice bullish back test, and then you continue up to your next target, which is your local highs. So Binance Coin looking pretty good. Nice inverse head and shoulders here for Binance Coin as well. So really just a really nice looking chart here with a nice reversal pattern back to the upside. So we'll continue to check out Binance Coin probably, because Binance Coin is one of the best performers today, which is insane. Binance Coin is on an incredible run, which is really cool. Which is really cool to see. Exchange doing so well. Now I'm just waiting for Crow to stop being so undervalued and catch up, in my opinion. But all right, so BNB. Let's check out XRP, which is at 137, still down 23% on the week. So if you wanted to pick up some XRP, might be the time to do it, you know. But I mean, that's just me. That's just me. XRP hasn't really got the same type of upwards price action as we've seen with other coins. It does still have that W reversal pattern that Ethereum was showing, right? Nice W reversal pattern. I think, like, in order to confirm it, I think you need to gonna come up there here and break this local high here. But generally speaking, you do have that formation still forming here. Yeah, I mean, you're not really having any type of, you're not really in any type of pattern. If anything, for XRP, you're still in, which interesting is, maybe you're still in some type of symmetrical triangle here for XRP. If you do draw it out like this, could be something more down like this. But if you do connect your general candle bodies there, looks like you could be forming some type of symmetrical triangle. If we do get a bounce to the upside for this guy, we take our measured move from top to bottom, extrapolate that up. Should put XRP's bounce somewhere upwards of around, 183 if we do go to the upside. Now, it's always possible we could go lower, but I have this support right here specifically because I don't think we go lower than 111 for XRP. That's like my worst case scenario for XRP if Bitcoin decides to continue its rundown. Okay, so that's XRP. For all you XRPers out there, I know there's a ton of you guys, ton of you XRPers out there. I'm sick of DOGECOIN and SafeMoon. Why are you sick of you're sick of people shilling SafeMoon, man? Come get some SafeMoon, huh? All right, XRP 138. Let's check out Doge. Oh, we already took out Doge. Tether, are we surprised? Down. Oh, now it's up 0.02%, guys. This is a nice pump for Tether. Cardano up 272. Let's check out Cardano. I got a lot of Cardano requests already. Apparently the Cardano army is in here right now. Okay. Where's all the SafeMoon shillers? They're not in here yet. I think they usually come later on in the stream. We start getting all the SafeMoon shillers. All right. Cardano, same pattern as Ethereum, XRP. Where Ethereum's already broken out of it. Cardano hasn't yet. So I'm going to clear this out because it's getting a little messy here. It's getting a little messy. You can see right here, if you do break above this line, you got a nice W pattern, but you gotta break back above this line, and then your target for the W is where you started the dump, which technically speaking is up here at about 143. If you do confirm that W pattern, but you got to break above this first green line at 132, and that's really what we're waiting for here for Cardano. Not really much else going on for Mr. Cardano besides that, really. A lot of these coins are going to have pretty much the exact same charts. I mean, you guys can see the last three was pretty much the same exact thing. Polkadot down 119 today. Let's check out DOT. Not a lot of people like DOT. I say it every stream, but not a lot of people like DOT. And it's weird considering it's a top 10 coin, right? I think it's because it's relatively newer, probably. So DOT does not look as strong as other coins, right? You can see DOT is just continuing kind of down in this little downwards channel, right? It's not really getting any bids. the same way we're seeing some of the other coins getting, right? So DOT, not looking too great at the moment.
CEO, can you check out TKOPLS wedding?
Hey Chris, Wife Swap CEO, can you check out TKO? You got it, man. Now is a good time to buy Safe Moon, but the dip. Oh, here we go, the Safe Moon shillers here. The Safe Moon shillers. Come get some Safe Moon, huh? All right. Let's figure this out. All right, so DOT, you got the left shoulder, you got your head. If you get back above this, I mean, maybe you could be forming some type of inverse head and shoulders eventually, right? I mean, that's just pure speculation right now. If we do create a left or right shoulder here, if we do get a nice bounce up with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but we're just not seeing it yet. We're just not seeing it yet. So we shall see. We shall see for DOT. DOT's in a peculiar position where it's just not making any type of headway. What I'm interested to see though, the daily. No, not really. I'm gonna say you might have some, maybe have some head and shoulders on the daily chart, but not really actually. All right, so that's DOT. Litecoin pretty much flat today. We're not really seeing a lot of moves from Litecoin. Check out Litecoin though. Litecoin, man, Litecoin's really.
Time to buy Safe Moon, but the dip.
Well, Safe Moon. Everyone wants Safe Moon today. Down. I mean, Litecoin's is kind of looking exactly the same as Polkadot, right? It's not getting the same type of upwards price action that we're seeing from some of the other coins. Like it's still in a downwards channel as well, it looks like. So we'll continue to see what happens for Litecoin. If we do continue down, I would like to hold this level right about here. It's a pretty important level, Mr. Resistance and support. But if you do break down below that, man, could be coming maybe back down to 217, it looks like maybe, as support for Litecoin. But Litecoin having a tough time really breaking above and holding that 4-hour EMA. After really riding it, it's all the way up here, just riding it. And now it's just getting rejected. So we'll see. We'll see what happens for Litecoin. And then our last one, as much as I can't talk crap about Doge anymore. I can't. So I have to take out my anger here on Bitcoin Cash. But I know there's a lot of people that love Bitcoin Cash in here, so I'll be respectful. Let's check out Bitcoin Cash. It is a top 10 coin, so I do have to respect it, unfortunately, you know. And I'll also check out Chainlink, because I do think Chainlink very, very much so deserves to be in that top 10. I think it's kind of ridiculous that it's not based on use case, but I don't know. That's just me. Bitcoin Cash keeps bouncing off this relative support line down here at about 841, right? And it's at the same token having a tough time to really get back over 966 and sustain it, right? Got back over it for a little bit here, but you did dip back down. Bitcoin Cash does have that W formation that could form, but you got to break above your local high here at about 1,044 to confirm that. And if you do break 1,044, right, you break 966, then you break 944. Your target is the top probably at 1217, which is coming up next for Bitcoin Cash if you do break it. Okay. So we'll continue to watch Bitcoin Cash. Let's check out Chainlink too. Check out Chainlink real quick, and then we'll get into some of the super chats here and get the party really started today. Chainlink. Interesting. So Chainlink, it's kind of weird. Is it a descending triangle? Is it trying to form a symmetrical triangle? Like what is it trying to do here? It's yeah, I mean, you don't really have much of confirmed support here. You're kind of just bouncing all over the place, honestly, here for Chainlink. But it does look like you have some type of downwards resistance coming down here. So if you can break that, all is good. You probably retest the top of your giant wedge or all-time high wedge that we haven't broken out of yet. That's probably your next target. If you went straight up, your target for that right now sits at about 45.83. So we shall see if you can get back up there. And I think as long as Bitcoin continues its ride up, we're going to see Chainlink break that. Whoops, messed up my own line there. We can see 45.83, right? So that's Mr. Link. It's Captain Link there.
Dude, when is Crow gonna make me rich? Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, question mark.
When it's Crow, you gotta be patient with some of these coins, man. A lot of the times with these coins, what they're gonna do is they're gonna bore you out, right? They're gonna bore you out, and then as soon as you decide, right, I can guarantee you right now, as soon as you decide to sell off Crow, it will pump up like within the next like week or two after you sell it. Guarantee it. That's what I've done that. I used to do that so many times. I'd get so bored of a coin, I'd sell it, and then all of a sudden it would pump, right? I'm telling you, right? Telling you right now. That's what they want you to do, right? Sometimes dipping is better than sideways. I say it every time. Sideways sucks. I hate sideways. I'd rather it just dip and get it over with, right? It's the same thing with Crow. Crow just like Crow is just stuck at that general like 20 between 20 cents and like 24 cents. Just can't break that general level. So Frederico says I need Bitcoin at 50K. Hey, I wouldn't complain, man. I'd like Bitcoin at 5K. Give me some Bitcoin at 5K. I'll take it. Shit. All right. BTC still not getting that really big bounce. Obviously, we do have our daily close, which is right. It's just coming up in 33 minutes. So we'll see our basic shenanigans at our daily close. But right now, we're not seeing it as of yet. Doge still struggling to get over that 4-hour EMA. Is right there though. It's right there. We'll see if it can on the close. All right, let's get into some of these super chats here. Thanks for the BCC chart. You got it, Jerry. As much as I didn't want to do it in the beginning, I got you. All right. All right, let's get some of these. We had, what do you think of Mellow Token? It's on CoinMarketCap. Hold on, I'll get to that one. Let me get to some of these other ones first. Chunlock Ho wanted Elongate is pumping. Ah, man, Elongate, dude. You're really gonna come here and make me look at Elongate? All right, let's look at Elongate. It's a good cause, I guess, right? It goes to charity. So I guess I can't hate on it, but man, dude. See, the problem with this stuff is, right? The only problem I have with these type of coins mooning, right? And I understand people are making money, right? I'm not hating on the money. It's more so the outsiders looking at this and being like, how can I respect an asset like this, an asset class like this, that you have random coins pumping for absolutely zero reason at all, right? And then, like, why would they invest in it, right? Why wouldn't, like, it would make way more sense if the coins that had use cases were going up, right? You would get way more respect from the outsiders. When you have coins pumping like this, it just kind of loses a little bit legitimacy in the crypto market. In my opinion, right? Congrats if you made money on this, right? Congrats if you made money on this.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
I'll give you some grats. I'll never hate on anyone making money, but damn, dude. 185% in one day. I had a feeling Elongate was going to pump too. It's one of those meme coins, but.
Are you concerned at all short term with a high RSI on BTC4H?
The problem is.
Bullish cross on MACD supersede. Thanks.
See, what I did want to bring up today is the only problem is with these type of coins pumping like 168%, you're going to have like these people coming in, right?
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
And you're gonna have people like.
It's a fraud. It's a Ponzi. I agree completely. I call it a Ponzi with no one in charge.
You're gonna have all these all these people looking at the markets and saying that type of stuff. That's the only thing. That's the only thing I'm worried about here. But nevertheless, congrats all you guys making money. I did have to get that out, okay? I'm dead. I'm dead. Hold on. I was trying to hold it in. I was trying to hold it in, guys. I was really trying to hold it in. I was trying to be serious, but I couldn't do it. I'll play that again later. That one gets me every time. That one gets me every time. Anyways, let's hold on. Yeah, all right. Let's get into the next one. We got elongate. All right. Cosmos. Let's check out Cosmos. Do you think it will pass $40 sooner or later? Yeah, we can check out Cosmos. Check out Cosmos. Cosmos. Do you think you asked if I think it will pass $40? I mean, you might be a couple months away from that, man. It's not going to happen right away, right? That's not going to happen right away. So, I mean, I think it will happen in this bull market. I think, like, think about it this way.
Cheers.
You guys in the chat, man. Yeah, so think about it this way. I think pretty much every altcoin will do a 2x from here on out. Like, unless it's some huge S coin, I think I think every coin will do a 2x from here on out. But yeah, $40 is definitely possible. If you're talking about short term, I do see if you get rejected here, come back down a little bit lower. You do have the possibility of that inverse head and shoulders also playing out here for Atom. So looks pretty good. Looks pretty good in the short term here. But $40, I mean, you're sitting at $21 right now. I mean, that's only about a 2x from here, which in crypto, I mean, let's be honest, like that's not a lot. It's not. I don't think it's a crazy prediction to say Atom can reach $40. I think that's pretty realistic, honestly. If anything, that's probably undershooting it, in my opinion. But yeah, man, I definitely think it hit $40. All right, let's see. Amira wants DOT. We already looked at DOT, Amira. So you already got your wish. Look at that. You already got your wish. We already did DOT, Amira. We did it right in the beginning. The sauce is here. Do you think BNB will flip ETH by the end of the year? I already told you, man. I already told you on that one.
Nope.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But I do think BNB will gain on Ethereum because how bullish BNB is. But I do think ETH is going to really start flying towards the end of the summer when it has all its updates coming out. I think Ethereum is really going to start moving. But I do think BNB is going to move too, right? I think BNB is going to move right with it for sure. Please tell me about ADA Cardano. We already looked at Cardano Rinky. So look at you, dude. You guys are killing it. We looked at Cardano in the beginning as 2 Rinky. So go check it out, man. Hey, Chris, Wife Swap CEO. Can you check out TKO?
Check out Mellow Token, real project and on coin market cap and CC.
Yeah, we'll check it out, man. So TKO, what do we got going on here? Not much. Let's actually see if we got some more. Is it Toko Crypto? Let me double check. I want to make sure. I always want to make sure I'm doing the right one for you guys. Toko Token. What the heck is this thing? Toko Token. 243. What's the deal with this thing? First entity registered in Indonesia's commodities futures. So it's an Indonesian cryptocurrency to offer a unique hybrid token model. Okay, so it's a little Indonesian coin.
Litecoin, baby.
So on this last dip, it would have been nice if you held this level. You didn't though, and you dump it pretty hard again. You actually didn't even hold this level. It's not looking too good in the short term. Like you look at supports here, you could be coming all the way back down to like 222, to be honest with you, man. I'm always going to be honest. You definitely could come a little bit lower here, right? That's putting you right at like 7 cents lower, right? Oh, I'm on the weird song again. There we go. Yeah, so you definitely could come lower for Toko. But hey, if you like Indonesian coins, this is the one for you, man. It's the one for you. Mad Dog Digger. Now is the time to buy Safe Moon. Buy the dip. Guys, I guess Mad Dog Digger wants you to go buy Safe Moon, so go check it out. Dude, when is Crow going to make me rich? I'm waiting too, man. I got a good amount of money in Crow. Good amount of money in Crow. I'm still waiting too, man. I'm not giving up on it. I know what happens when you give up on a coin. You give up on something, it's gonna fly. But I have to admit, one of my coins, unfortunately,
that's an XLM stablecoin.
The freaking XLM stablecoin. So, like, I'm still waiting for the breakout here. But it's been a long, drawn-out process here, for sure. Long, drawn-out process. Looks like a nice double bottom, at least, right now. But you're having a tough time breaking out of this general range between 25 cents and 18 cents. Like a really, really tough time here. Really, really tough time. So, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But looks like a nice double bottom, like I said. Shorter term stuff, I mean, it looks the same as every coin. But if we zoom out,
What's up with Mama?
if we zoom out, still looks like a nice bullish back test of your old resistance. Flipped into new support. Now we're just waiting for those next bids to kick in here. I think it'll be sooner rather than later for Crow. Sunny Sun. What do you think about Mellow Token? It's on CoinMarketCap. Is it on CoinMarketCap now? Oh, it is. Look at that. Yeah. I mean, pretty low market cap. Obviously, it just got listed. What is it listed on? It's listed on Whitebit. So not on any big exchanges just yet. Luxurious virtual reality gaming environment. We're in a plethora of fully immersive games. This bull division includes the integration of the Mellow token. Interesting. Yeah. I mean, it's a newer project, so obviously there's not much data to go off of. Not a high market cap. So we're waiting. We're waiting on what Mellow is going to do here, but interesting. Shaf, are you concerned at all short term with the high RSI on Bitcoin 4 hour? Does the bullish cross on MACD supersede? Thanks. The bullish cross on the MACD. So you said the overbought on the 4 hour on BTC? High RSI on BTC 4 hour. BTC is not high on the 4 hour, man. BTC, the 4 hour is only at a 46. So the 4 hour is still low. The 4 hour's got a lot of room to run. High would be if you're up here in the 80s and 90s, right? So you're still relatively low here. So you got a lot of room to run here on the RSI. So there's nothing to worry about there. I'm not worried about the RSI at all. If anything, I'm encouraged by it. Shows that we have a lot of room to still run to the upside, right? Let me go back to my hourly chart. But good question, man. Appreciate the super chat. Can you look at Silo and check its use case? I think it has real potential. Cheers. Yeah, we'll check out Silo. What's going on with Silo? Silo. Is this? Yeah, Silo. Wow. Okay, you're getting a big green dildo right now. Big green dildo. Now, if you're gonna need to get a close above these wicks. See all these wicks you got here? Like I want to close to confirm. I want to close above this wick. Okay, but you've gotten multiple wicks up here to this area, right? So until you get a close up there, it's not gonna matter. It looks like you are getting a little bit of a dumpage right now. Okay, so until you get a close above 11, 1.1, you know, like it doesn't really mean much to me. But nevertheless, that's a big green dildo right there. That's a big green dildo. Let's see. That's a 63-inch dildo. Just kidding. 63.78% pump to the upside. So, but like I said, you got to get that close above that wick, or else it doesn't mean diddly squat. Okay? Diddly squat. Sunnyside said, check out Mellow Token again. Real project on CoinMarketCap and CG. Guys, go check out Mellow Token. It's a new coin, I guess. Thank you, Sunnyside. Hunwoo Lee, you know why I'm here. Litecoin, baby. I got you, Hunwoo. I got you, my guy. Check out Litecoin. Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin we looked at earlier. It's basically following BTC. You are in a downwards channel, unlike BTC though. BTC is not really in a downwards channel. Litecoin is, but you still could be possibly forming this possible inverse head and shoulders if you get one more dip back to the downside and round out here. Could have your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder to form inverse head and shoulders. Look at BCH. I looked at BCH earlier in the stream, but I can check it out. It has the same exact chart as BTC, but yeah, I can check it out, man. So if we end up forming that, this will probably be generally your neckline, and you would have to basically, I mean, it's a little bit too early to really say that, so I'm not even going to go there, but looks like you are dumping right now. But I would want to hold basically this level as support if you do dump. I wouldn't want to break down below 249 in this kind of downwards channel here. And then you kind of continue a bearish trend with lower lows and lower highs. What's up with Mana? Tyler, what's going on, Tyler, man? You love Mana, dude. You absolutely love Mana. Like a lot. I love Mana too. I don't own as much Mana as I want to, unfortunately. Actually, I did buy some more after buying a lot of Bitcoin, Ethereum, VeChain the last couple of days. Today, I actually picked up some more. I bought some more Cardano and I bought some more Chainlink today. So I'm stacking up my top 5, big time. All right, so Mana. So you broke out of this symmetrical triangle for Mana. Like for the longest time, you were XLM stablecoin. You broke out. You came back down, back tested it multiple times. Looks like you're just now trying to get those bids back to the upside. If you can break your highs here, you can break these highs, candle body highs, at about 152. Next target is 188. That's your fib target, 188, and then 231. So we're patiently waiting for Mana. Patiently waiting for Mana, but it looks like the price action's following Bitcoin pretty peculiar. Pretty peculiar there. I don't know why I use that word. That has no confluence what I'm saying, but Dennis, can we look at Bitcoin Cash again? Yeah, Dennis, we can look at Bitcoin Cash. Everyone wants Bitcoin Cash today. Everyone does, apparently. Bitcoin Cash. What do we got going on here? This is not the BCH chart I had before. So Bitcoin Cash, nice W pattern forming here. Very, very much like Ethereum. My Ethereum chart's gone, but it has pretty much the same chart as Ethereum, just forming a nice W. Now you need to get back above 966, and then your next target is 1,044. And then if you break that, that would confirm your breakout out of the W, and then you would probably go back up to 1217, right? That would be your measure move out of the W pattern. So we shall see. We shall see. A lot of nice reversal patterns forming here for a lot of these coins, which is good to see. Which is good to see, for sure. All right. So we got through those, which is good. What's Doge doing? Doge getting a rejection off that 4-hour EMA. Classic stuff. Bitcoin's just hovering still. All right, Muzza wants Veracity. I don't think Muzza's gonna stop until we get to Veracity. So let's check that out. I got you, man. I mean, it's after a pretty nice run up, it's kind of stalled out, right? It turned into an XLM stablecoin, unfortunately, man. Just kind of stalled out here. You came back down to the same level 3 times now, right? You got 1 touch here, 2 touches, 3 touches. So, I mean, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Are you going to break this general resistance line coming up, or are you going to break this support line at 3.3 cents? That's what we're really waiting for here. If you do break that, you got no really support until your local highs here at 2.7 cents. So velocity, looking like a lot like Bitcoin, right? Making 3 higher highs, but very, very slight higher highs. So very similar chart to Bitcoin on like the shorter term time frames as Bitcoin's had for the past couple months. Save the planet. Evan, can you check out VeChain and Stellar? Sure, dude. VeChain. Close to that breakout out of the symmetrical triangle. Very, 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 very close. Very close. We got 3 touches on the bottom, 3 touches on the top now. Measure move breakout to the upside on this thing is 36 cents. Obviously, we're in black screen territory besides this pattern right now. And then our breakdown target, I have a hard time really thinking VeChain breaks like 18, like really 19 cents. VeChain just so bullish, you know what I mean? Like, I just have a really, really hard time of seeing it break that level. So those are your targets on VeChain, man. But you're right at that resistance level, which is super good, right? And then you also wanted XLM. Let's see. I haven't looked at XLM in a while. The XLM hype kind of died. If there was even any XLM hype, I don't think there actually was.
$1,000 in Safe Moon 3 days ago and have now won 5x my return. WTF is this point? Just bought it on impulse, but I have to say what a pain it was.
Hey, congrats, man.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
But unfortunately, come get some Safe Moon hat. All right, so you're basically in a downwards trend here. You keep getting rejected off your 4-hour EMA. Okay, after it was basically your support all the way on the way up, you've now gotten rejected on it twice here, really 3 times. So, I mean, like I always say, as long as you're below that, you're in a downtrend. So if you can't get back above that, it's not looking too good for XLM. Making lower lows. Making lower lows here. Maybe you're forming eventually some type of falling wedge. You've only had 2 touches on the bottom, so that's just pure speculation right now. You did have some bullish divergence here on the 4-hour chart, but it played out. Let's see if that continues to play out. 4 hours not too strong. You really want it on the daily chart, but nevertheless, not too bad. Not too bad. Marcus, Algo. You got it, man. Algorand. What's going on with Algorand, though? Seriously. Algorand. Man. I don't even want to push the button again because like I feel like I push the button every day for Algo. But it really is a stable coin, man. It's now back in that like dreaded like 130 range where it's like, come on, Algo. But yeah, man. I mean, you're pretty much just like range locked here. Getting higher lows, which is good to see. You got a pretty confirmed support line coming up. So maybe you can be in some type of longer term ascending triangle pattern here, very similar to what Cardano was in before it broke down because of Bitcoin, obviously. But could be pretty nice here. Could be pretty nice. Nice ascending triangle pattern could be forming. We're making higher lows, getting rejected at the same point on the top side. Let's see if you do continue up here, kind of make higher lows here before eventually breaking to the upside, because it is ascending triangle pattern, so it is a bullish pattern. Nevertheless, now if you break down, you really don't have much support until like 76 cents, because unfortunately you went pretty parabolic here on your move up, but we shall see. We'll see with algo. You just got to break out of this range, man. It's tough. All right. BTC breaking below its neckline as we speak right now. So we have 9 minutes, all right? So let's hold up here for a second. We got 9 minutes until our daily and our 4-hour close, which are both pretty important, right? We're at a pretty important level in the general scheme of things. Yeah, I know I always say zoom out. It doesn't. This is all just noise. All just noise. But for all you short-termers out there, it's a pretty crucial level here to see if we can reverse back to the upside, right? I'm not worried, but I know there's a lot of people out there.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero!
A lot of people out there doing that. So we'll see what happens in the next 9 minutes with BTC. Also with Doge, with the bullish divergence. Trying to form. Haven't really got that confirmed bounce. Yeah, you did get a little bit of a bounce, but we'll see. We'll see.
Can you check Chili's, please?
Chili's.
And happy 420.
Happy 420, Fatty McDonut. Hope you're having a nice Fatty McDonut over there while you're sitting on your couch on 420, you know. Dennis, spot. I already read that, but man, congrats on your 1.5x on Safe Moon. I know I always crap on it, but congrats, man. If you're making money, you're making money, right? JB, super chat of $5. Can you check out Digibyte? Absolutely, JB. Thanks for the super chat, man. Check out Digibyte. What's going on with Digi? So Digi, we were in this nice little symmetrical triangle pattern. We did break to the downside, unfortunately. But actually, if we draw it like this, maybe we're still in the symmetrical triangle. Look at that. And it's that makes a lot of sense because we look at the volume, guys. The volume is declining here, which means that we are still in a pattern. So, we're waiting for the breakout here, but it looks pretty nice, right? Falling volume, coming from an uptrend, nice symmetrical triangle. Bitcoin's trying to bounce. So does that mean an upside push? I don't know. The technicals, right? So the technicals are saying yes, but as you guys know, with a lot of these altcoins, it does depend on what Bitcoin does. Upside target is technically right around 20 cents, but if BTC dumps, it ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen. So that's Digi. That's Digi. You have a couple supports down here, 11 cents and about 9.3 cents for Digi. If you do dip for Digi. Back above that support for BTC. We got 7 minutes until the close, fellas and ladies. Okay, fellas and ladies, we got 7 minutes until the close. What was it gonna do?
Check WENMOON, please.
When moon? We have another moon? We have another moon coin, guys. So now we got Safe Moon. We got oh no, sorry, it's not another moon. It's the safes. It's Safe Moon and Safe Mars. And now we have a different version. This is like, all right, you know what I think is going on here? Going back to my Pokemon reference, right? I think we got Safe Moon, we got Safe Mars, and now we got When Moon. It's like freaking Eevee with the stones, you know, a bunch of different type of things, dude. Where are all these coins coming from? We'll check out When Moon, but that's ridiculous, man.
How do you think
I don't know where these things come from.
would go by ELY?
All right, let's check out Chili's for Fatty McDonald here. Fatty McDonald. Fatty Mc. What is it? McDonut. Chili's. Trying to desperately hold your upward support here, right? So you were in a falling wedge. You broke out. You've back tested it like three friggin' times now for Chili's. So we're waiting for that upwards trend coming. You do have, I don't know why I have so many lines here for Chili's. Hold on.
Can you check Raven RVN?
Can you check Raven? Yeah, we can check Raven. But you do have a kind of a kind of a head and shoulders pattern, right? Kind of a head and shoulders pattern that's trying to form here. If you do break below, generally it's about 47.2. You break below that, could confirm your head and shoulders pattern, which will probably bring you back down to the bottom trend line, this bottom sloping trend line, back down here to like maybe 34 cents if you do break back down there for chilies. But obviously that hasn't happened yet. We're still waiting. You are below your 4-hour moving average, which just keeps pushing you down here, so we shall see. All right, BTC, we got 4 minutes to the close. Let's check out Wen Moon for Crazy Chicken real quick. I know he's really going to want Wen Moon. Wen Moon, I don't know what it is, man. Let's see if it's on CoinMarketCap. It's not on there. So you must be trolling me, man. You must be trolling me. All the moons matter. All moons matter. Exactly. We can't be what's the word? Biased here on all our moons, right? We gotta make sure we include Safe Moon. We gotta include all the moons. Okay. How high do you think VeChain can realistically go by end of year? Well, let's take a look at CoinMarketCap, right? Let's be realistic about it, right? Let's not give any Moon Boy predictions. I don't like the Moon Boy predictions. Let's take a look at VeChain, right? VeChain right now is sitting at 25 cents, right? $16 billion market cap. Now, I already think, personally, VeChain should be a top 10 coin. So I personally think it should be up here towards Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, which would, their market cap is pretty similar, right? Litecoin's sitting at 17.4, VeChain's sitting at 16, right? So not that big of a difference there. So if VeChain does go into the top 10, which I do think it will, let's kind of compare to, let's say Ethereum, right? Let's be
Grande's golden pocket, give your Fibonacci 2, TCHY Moku.
Yeah, man, totally. We'll take a look at that, though. But yeah, let's be realistic here.
Anyone here ever hear of
Let's say Ethereum gets to 10K, all right? Let's just do a realistic thing. Ethereum gets to 10K, that's a 4x. Now, we know some of these lower cap altcoins are going to outpace Ethereum. So let's just pretend Ethereum does a 4x for the rest of the bull market. I think it'll go higher. Well, we're just being conservative here. 4x from where we are right now. Ethereum hits 10K, okay? Now, let's say VeChain's going to outpace Ethereum just because of the market cap, right? It's going to outpace it with inherently a little bit more risk, right? So if VeChain was to do a 4x, that would put it right at about $1, but I do think it will outpace Ethereum, as most of the, like I just said, most of the lower cap altcoins do outpace the higher cap altcoins because of the total money it takes to move them. So I do think VeChain will probably do, I think VeChain probably has at least another 6x, if another 8x in it. I think about 150 to $2 is, 150 to about, what did I say, 6x? Yeah, 150 to about $2 I think is doable for VeChain. But I think $1 is more the conservative approach for VeChain. I think VeChain can definitely hit $1. I think it will hit $1. But I think 150, 200 is $150, $2 is definitely in the cards too for VeChain based on where I think some of these higher cap altcoins will go. So kind of a long answer, but that's really it. All right, we got 1 minute till the Bitcoin close. Let's see what happens here for BTC. We're seeing DOGECOIN dumping right now, right before the close. So that's interesting. And like we saw earlier today, when DOGECOIN dumps, right? What happens when DOGECOIN dumps, guys? What happens when DOGECOIN dumps? When DOGECOIN dumps? When DOGECOIN dumps, we saw earlier today, that's when the other coins pump, right? It's like magic. It's like clockwork. We saw today Bitcoin going ham while DOGECOIN was dumping, right? It's like an inverse correlation right now. You can see right now Bitcoin's getting a nice bounce. And DOGECOIN is, it was dipping, but we just got the new open. So we'll see in this new open. But, dude, we'll see. We'll see what Bitcoin does here. I think this was just a bullish back test of our previous resistance, now flipped to support. And I think Bitcoin probably starts moving, maybe not in this hourly candle, but within the next couple of hourly candles, right? I have faith in Crow. I do. And I'll always admit, like, if I think a coin is good and it hasn't done well, sure. Crow has been kind of a stable coin for the last couple of weeks, but I know once you guys get out of Crow, that's going to be the time it starts going. It's due, right? It's due for a pump. All right, 56,562 for BTC on the new candle here. Haven't seen anything crazy come yet. Remember a couple of days ago, guys, like we got every daily close, like it closed and then BTC pumped like $1,000 for like 3 days straight. Let's see. So Doge 31.2. We're gonna have all the Dogers come out, right? All the Dogers are gonna come out, start getting pissed. All the Dogers coming out. Just kidding. For all your Doge people, congrats if you make money. I'm not hating. I just like to tease you guys. That's all. It's fun to tease you guys. $31.3 for Doge. 56,549 for BTC. Yeah, if you guys want to join the Discord link is pinned right to the top of the chat. Right to the top of the chat.
On regulation, worried, thanks for your mugs.
All right, Bitcoin's not doing much right now. So let's go back to some of the super chats here. We had Andrew said, can you check out Raven? I got you, Andrew. Hope you're having a good day, man. Let's check out Ravencoin. You know, Ravencoin's been a coin that's been kind of struggling as of late. Typical stable coin. I mean, most coins have been stable coins. We know it broke out of this. I mean, we talked about this the last couple of days, Andrew, right? So we know we broke out of this, descending triangle. We got actually a pump out of it, which is interesting. Right, pretty much at its apex. We got a nice pump out of it, but ever since Bitcoin decided to take another dump, we've been dumping. So not really much going on here for Raven, man. You're just in basically a general downtrend, right? Maybe you're. It's not even, dude. You're probably just in a downwards channel. You can't really call it a bull flag. It's a little bit too steep to call it a bull flag, but man, dude, like it's just a downwards trend here. You have broken. Actually, you haven't, but you really don't want to break this level as support if you do continue lower. It's a pretty big area. But man, like consolidation after breakout sideways, consolidation, breakout sideways. This is like the ultimate stable coin. For 2 months, you've been in a stable coin for Ravencoin. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. You want to hold this level of support for sure. In the short term, like you just need to get back over this 4-hour EMA. You can see how much it just keeps you down. It's keeping you down. It's like that ex-girlfriend that just won't leave, right? It's like that ex-girlfriend that's keeps holding you down in life, and once you break above that, you're free. You're free, right? Or for your ladies, it's like that. It's like that guy who keeps holding you down, and then you get out and you're just a free bird. So, 18.2 for Raven. We'll see. We've been checking the Raven every day. I feel like so. We'll see where it goes. We want to open one tonight. There is me and this other guy on Discord ready to open tonight if we can manage it. Yeah, I'll open one. I'll open one. I'll probably off stream because I need to. I'll go. Yeah, I'll after the stream I'll definitely open. So if anyone wants to see me open up some P-Man cards, some Pokemon cards, see what I get. See if I get any valuable ones. I'll be in the Discord after opening some. Later on after the stream, see if I get any Bitcoin dragons or anything like that. But yeah, I'll definitely open one after the stream. Just not during the stream because I don't have it up. Maybe tomorrow during the stream I'll open one, see what I get. I'll open a P-Man card because I own a lot of them. I do own a lot of them, but I do think the price will rebound though. So I'm kind of not tempted to open them just yet. I'm kind of waiting for the price to go up, which inherently makes the NFTs more valuable. But we'll see. All right. So, what do we have next? We had BNB. Hot Shot wanted BNB. Let's check out BNB. It's not my BNB chart. Guys, if we could smack up those freaking likes. We're at 1,000. We got over 1,000 viewers in here. We're only at 240 likes. I'm a little bit offended. I thought you guys liked me a little bit more than that. Okay? I thought you guys liked me just a little bit more than that. Apparently you don't. I'm kind of, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. I guess it's all the Dogers coming after me today. All right. Anyways, Binance Coin. We talked about this earlier, right? What did I say? I thought we were going to come back down, back test this level as support, which we wicked up to it, and then we got a massive buy pressure. Look at this wick. Let me move this little arrow over. Look at this wick, right? Look at that buy pressure, buying up BNB. And now you're just really trying to get back over this like 592 level. Bunch of peaks here from April 14th, April 12th. You get back over that, I think you're going back up to your highs at 637 for Binance Coin. You also have your breakout of your inverse head and shoulders here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Extrapolate at your breakout point. Gives you a target of up here towards 651 as well. So Binance Coin looking pretty juicy. Looking pretty juicy at the moment. Thanks, Dolo. Appreciate the kind words, man. Thanks for the likes, guys. I was just kidding. I was totally just kidding. Yeah, we need 420 likes for 420, guys. 420 likes. All right, so that's Binance Coin. Let's see what else we got here. Anyone here ever hear of Safe? Now we got Safe. All right, Dennis, you must be kidding, man. You got to be kidding. Dennis said, anyone here ever hear of Safe Galaxy? Let's check out Safe Galaxy. I don't know what the heck that is, but let's check it out. Safe Galaxy. I don't know what that is, man. I think you're trolling, man. We got Safe Moon. We got Safe Mars. We got oh, it is a coin. Safe Galaxy, guys. So if you want another meme coin, go ahead. The data is untracked, so I don't know what this is, but another meme coin, guys. Safe Galaxy. BTC a little dumpage. Dogecoin a little pumpage. Correlation is there. TTT Tap is a gem and chain games. Okay, interesting. What's going on, Mactor? What do you think of Wink? I'll check out Wink for you. Thanks for the super chat, Mactor. I'll take a look at it, man. Don't worry, I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing, man. Been doing actually. I mean, time kind of flies. I've been streaming for about 3 months now, which is crazy. Time flies. Actually, not even 3 months. It's been like 2.5 months. But actually, no. Yeah, it's been like 2.5 months, which is crazy to think about. Safe Galaxy. Can Ariana Grande's Golden Pocket give your Fibonacci tool an itchy moku? Ariana Grande. It's now Ariana Grande. Golden Pocket give you a Fibonacci tool an itchy moku. Give me a Safe Galaxy.
Can you check the elongate, please? Chart at elongate.
I'll go into Ariana Grande's black hole anytime. Anyways, BTC. Oh no, why am I saying BTC? Thoughts on Hoskinson on regulation? Worried? Thanks. I'm not worried. I'm not worried. And, like, you guys got to remember all the bearish news we've ever had in crypto land, right? All the bearish news we've ever had in crypto land, okay? It always turns out to be a net positive for Bitcoin, okay? We've had so much FUD. Even if we did have some type of some type of regulation, I think some way, somehow, crypto would turn it into a positive. I really do. I think that would actually probably promote more institutional investors actually coming into crypto, because it would be relatively safer and things like that. So I think somehow, some way, crypto would turn that into a positive, and then you can get all these guys.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
That never gets old. Every time. Anyways, 56,600 for BTC. Yeah, but I don't think it would be bad, honestly. Alt ADA. What is realistic prediction for Hollow? For hot. Realistic prediction for hot. Are we talking long term? Are we talking short term? What are we talking here? I guess we can look at long term. Oh God. All right. All right. A realistic long-term prediction for hot. I mean, hot's, think about it this way. Hot's already gone up 50. Hot's done, what is that? 52x, 53x, whatever that is. So hot has been absolutely insane, dude. Like, so what's realistic? I mean, it could probably go up another 10x based on its market cap, right? Where's hot? Where's hot at? Yeah, so hot has a $2.7 billion market cap. So I think, so to give it a 10x would give it a $27 billion market cap, which right now would put it, about number 8.
E. Jordan, you're safe with me. I am going to ask for AN care and Moddage. Thanks, man.
Yeah, we'll take a look at it. I'll take a look at it.
Check safe Doge Coin chart.
Oh, dude, I can't get over that. I don't know why I think that's so funny. I just think it is. So yeah, I mean, like, to get back into it, hot can get it to a $27 billion market cap. It right now, that would put it at number 9, which sounds kind of ridiculous right now, but that's assuming everything else doesn't move up, obviously. So, like, if Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Uniswap, Chainlink, VeChain, all these do another like 5 or 6 X's, I think hot can do a 10x considering it has a lower market cap. So, I mean, realistically, probably 5. I mean, possibly maybe 10x. No one really knows, dude. No one knows when the bull market's going to end realistically. No one knows that kind of stuff. You can make guesses on that type of things, but for the altcoins especially, it's really like Bitcoin. It's a little bit easier to make a prediction on when the Bitcoin market's going to end because you have a lot of data points. For a lot of these altcoins, you have no data points. You have no data points. So like you have nothing to go off of. So you have no idea if we're going to have a big altcoin market at the end. If altcoins are going to dip farther than Bitcoin, like it's a lot of unknown variables. So it's hard to give predictions for the altcoins. That's why it's better to look at Bitcoin. When Bitcoin's going to end and then kind of project what the altcoins are going to do from there. Right? So Bitcoin getting a nice bounce. 56,750 right now as we're speaking. So we'll see. I gotta chill out. All right. Hollow Malik with a $3.99 super chat. Thank you, man. TTT Tapcoin and Chain Games. TTT Tapcoin. What is that? Tapcoin. What is this thing? Tapcoin allows gamers to convert and transfer their in-game virtual currencies from one game to another. The Tap project has created a consensus algorithm, proof of mastery for gaming-related tokens. All right, so it's a game-related token. Doesn't have any market data here, so I'm not really sure what else is going on with this thing. But it sounds like an interesting project. If you guys are interested in the gaming industry with crypto, I mean, this could be an interesting thing. Kind of lets you take whatever you win on Fortnite and move it over to Call of Duty or something like that. So sounds pretty cool, man. Sounds pretty cool. All right. And then you also want to Chain Games. See if Chain Games is doing anything. I own some Chain Games still. It's not a huge amount, but I do own some Chain Games. It looks like it's getting a nice bounce here. This actually looks very, very similar to the Pokemon chart, actually, where it was just kind of fell off a cliff. But this is what I think Pokemon's going to do. I think Pokemon's going to find a relative bottom and shoot up. So, I mean, Chain Game's looking really good. And I think what it was, if you go to the daily, it wasn't on the daily, but on the 4-hour chart, yeah. So on the 4-hour chart, you had some nice nice bullish divergence here on the 4-hour chart, which really made you start ripping to the upside. So I do like this for chain games. This looks really good. You broke this general downwards resistance too, so that looks really good for chain games. Basically, your target for breaking out of this eventually should be the top here, about 61 cents. So chain games looks really good here. That's awesome, man. I own chain games, so I like it, dude. Can you check out Elongate? Please, chart at elongate.com. I got Elongate is on here, man. Elongate went absolutely bonkers today, though. I know that. I'll give Elongate some props. I mean, it's still going, man. Holy crap. So since 3 days ago, Elongate has done almost a 5x, so, or over a 5x. So craziness for Elongate. This thing continues up. You can't do TA in a coin like this. This thing is just absolutely gone, man.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Crazy, dude. The friggin' meme counts. Keep doing what you're doing, my dude. What do you think of Wink? Have a good one. Wink. So many Wink fans in here, man. So many Wink fans. Wink is definitely winking right now. It's winking at us. Why am I on the weekly?
Tabcoin TTTIS on CoinGecko S 2017.
So on the daily for Wink, you have broken below your 20-day moving average, which is slightly bearish in the short term. It looks like you're trying to get back above it right now, but you've gotten a little bit of a rejection at it. So generally speaking, in the on a bullish trend, you want to hold this 20-day moving average. But you did, like I said, you did dip below it here. So we'll see if you can get back above it. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, we're pretty firmly below our 4-hour moving average. Check out here.
Could we look at APL Apollo Coin? It's the world's fastest blockchain coin. Thanks.
APL. Yeah, dude, we can check it out. Pretty much a downwards channel, right? Downwards channel. You're waiting for that breakout. You're just waiting for that breakout. You got to get back over this 4-hour EMA, though. Back over the 4-hour EMA, you break this resistance line, you're probably coming back up to 2.9 cents eventually. Or not 2.9 cents, 0.0029 cents for Wink. But just looks like a bullish, I mean, just looks like a basic consolidation, right? Consolidation for rip. More safe. Oh, here we go with the safes, man. You guys on the safes. Check safe Doge coin chart. Justin, don't be playing with my emotions, man. I know your guys' games now. You guys got some crazy games. Some crazy games. Sonny, hey Jordan, you're safe with me. Oh, what a nice pun, Sonny. What a nice pun. I enjoy it. I'm going to ask for Anchor and Matic. Thanks, man. Anchor and Matic.
You know much about ENJ.
I don't. But I can find out. Anchor is Anchor is I'll do it for Anchor. I'll do it for Anchor.
That's an exit stable coin.
You know, it really is. It looks the same as Algorand, right? At least this one's getting higher lows. It's getting higher lows. So it's generally trying to tempting to make a run here. I guess you could maybe call it this the beginning stages of a
Good evening, Jordan. Hope you're doing phenomenal today. Kyber Network, if you will please.
Kyber Network. Yeah, we can check out Kyber Network. But yeah, this looks like the beginning stages of a ascending triangle pattern here, right? We got higher lows here and getting rejected at the same point on the top side. So I think eventually you do break this to the upside for Anchor, obviously assuming that Bitcoin doesn't dump. If Bitcoin doesn't dump, you can throw this out the window and you're gonna continue down to the downside, obviously. But for Anchor, you take your top to your bottom, extrapolate this to the upside. Eventually, you should, based on technical analysis, bring it back up to 30 cents, right? Based on TA. But in the short term, looks like you're gonna get squeezed between this support and this 4-hour EMA. You got to decide what you want to do in the short term here, and yeah, but you should pump because BTC is attempting to pump, 56,750 for Captain BTC. Lieutenant Ethereum, I assume Lieutenant Ethereum's doing pretty well too. Let me change this chart to Lieutenant Ethereum. Let's go to the 4-hour for ETH. Oh yeah, ETH is giving me a nice day today. Can't thank ETH enough. What a beautiful day for Ethereum. 2352 for ETH as it pushes its highs for the last couple days. What else do we have? Safe, Anchor, and Matic was the other one. You can do Matic. Matic. Let me take this off. So Matic is a lot like a lot of coins, right? Got a nice double bottom here on this trend line. Yeah, I mean, Matic's pretty much an XLM stablecoin too. Same thing for Matic. You're going to get squeezed between this 4-hour EMA and this support. And it's got to decide what it wants to do. You're going to get squeezed here. It's going to move down. You got to decide which way you want to go. Get back above your 4-hour. I think that's going to be pretty bullish for you in the short term. But we shall see what you do. We shall see what you do. I mean, you're having a tough time getting bids back to the upside here for Matic. You do have room to run your 4-hour RSI. That looks pretty good, but you don't really have a confirmed pattern here. So we'll wait and see. Matic's more of a wait and see right now. Definitely more of a wait and see. All right, BTC, 56,788. So this is something that's going to help Matic, right? If we see Bitcoin pump, that's going to get Matic going. Ethereum, 2363 as we speak right now. Hey. Get it. My portfolio looks great. Mine does too. Pretty much every coin that I hold today was up 5% plus. Besides BTC, but even BTC didn't have a terrible day today. So I think a lot of people that hold the top altcoins today had a pretty good day today. So, which is good.
Jordan, can you look at an LC2 coin, please?
Tapcoin, TTT, it's on CoinGecko. Yeah, we checked out Tapcoin, Malik. We checked it out earlier. Could we look at Apple Apollo coin? It's the fastest blockchain coin. Apple Apollo coin? What the heck is that, man? Apple Apollo. Let's see if it's on here. The fastest blockchain coin. Wow, this was an XLM stablecoin for a long time, huh? So it looks pretty good. I mean, you're making some progress here. Looks like you really started pumping in January. And it looks like right now you're probably just bull flagging it, right? This one actually has a pretty nice pattern that's forming. Looks like a nice bull flag, which the bull flag on this thing on the daily chart, you take your bottom to your top and you actually extrapolate this up. It's going to give you a breakout target of upwards of like 1.5 cents, right? So almost a 2x of your breakout target. So this looks actually pretty damn bullish if you ask me, but obviously we got to get those bids to break it, right? It's all about the bids. It's all about the bids.
What is a realistic price by the end of the year for APL?
APL. Cake, please. All right, Marcus, you got it, man. You got it, man. It is 420. Safe, Tap Coin, Apollo Coin. Morgan with the 199 euro super chat. Thank you, Morgan. Appreciate it. You're actually you're not a stud because you're Morgan, so you're a stud gal, I guess. Couldn't think of anything off the top of my head. Do you know much about Engine Coin?
KPL's birthday cake shortcake.
As far as like the general fundamentals of the project, not really, but I do think if we get rid of this.
Are you aware of the massive network upgrades being done on IOTA this week?
IOTA?
Look into it, man. Very promising project.
I did not hear about an IOTA upgrade, so it sounds interesting, man. I'll have to look into that. Yeah, I mean, you got upward support. You got like 5 touches going up here. So you did same thing. You're waiting for Bitcoin to get back above. You're trying to get back above that 4-hour EMA right now. Trying to.
90, when should I sell?
Got at 5x on sushi from 11.9. When should I sell? I wouldn't sell sushi. I'm pretty bullish. I don't own sushi, but I was thinking about buying some. I just put it in something else, but I put it in VeChain instead. But I definitely like sushi, and I plan on within the next couple weeks actually picking up some sushi swap. All right, sorry, not sushi. Nothing to sushi. I would rather have pancake swap. If you got sushi, or what I just said, I thought you said pancake swap. I've been buying some cake. But if it's sushi swap, I'm not sold on it. But obviously you do your research, man. But yeah, if you get back above your 4-hour here for Engine, should be seeing, prices back upwards. It probably pretty tough for you to break this general level here outright, right? This general level here, about 312. You get a lot of resistance looking up here, a bunch of support of this area as well. So that's Engine. We'll see what happens there for Engine. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. Did we hit 26K already? I'm pretty sure. Let's see if we hit 26K. Let's see. Yeah. 26,000 subs, guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. We're at 2647 now. So if you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm here every day from 7 to 10 Eastern Standard Time. All right? All right, Engine. 259, and we're waiting for BTC. ETH continuing up here. Where's my music? God damn. There we go. $26K? Yes, sir. All right. So, Brunswick. Good evening, Jordan. Hope you're doing a phenomenal today. I am, man. Kyber Network, if you please. Sure, man. Let me do Kyber Network. I don't think there's any coin I would say no to. Maybe, there's a couple probably. There's a couple I would probably say no to, now that I think about it. Kyber. What is going on with this chart, man? So Kyber, it's so same thing with a lot of coins, right? You still could be forming, if you do have another dip, which is definitely possible. You got your left shoulder, your head. If you do get one more dip, could be forming a same thing, inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now, if you break this, even better, right? Then you don't have to worry about that. You're just in bullish territory. I would like to make a higher high here though. I don't want to make a lower high. Right, so if this is our high, we make a lower high, then you just, considering you got lower lows, lower highs, you do want to, continue up here. You don't want to basically get rejected here and then make a lower low again, because that just means you're in a continuous downtrend. So we'll see if this does play out like that, or if we just break that general resistance. So we're getting up to it right now. We're back above our 4-hour EMA, and we confirmed it as support now. So now we need to just get back above there.
Harmony 1, please.
Harmony 1. Sure. Let's see. What are we looking at? Engine, Kyber. Can you look at NLC2 coin? What is NLC2? No limit coin? This thing is this thing is like still all the way down at its lows. This thing went off in 2017. Holy crap. Went up to 48 cents in 2017. Still sitting at $1. Is a cryptocurrency designed to power online gaming applications. It provides safe and extremely fast transactions at very low cost. Yeah, there's just a lot of these type of projects right now. You know what I mean? A lot of these online gaming projects, and this one seems like it just doesn't have any traction. There's just a lot of other coins that seem like they're leading that industry a little bit more. But just basically looking at this chart, there's not really much going on with it, dude. I'll see if it's on here. Yeah. It's not. I don't love this chart. A lot of like crazy wicks and stuff like that. It's tough to read this, but looks like kind of a straggler there on the gaming market, man. Vitalik woke up and he's angry. Vitalik woke up from his hyper sleep, and he's like, "Screw all these people think my project sucks," and now he's pumping it. What's the realistic price by the end of the year for APL? Like I said, dude, I don't like giving predictions end of the year for altcoins. It's just not feasible to do that. You know what I mean? Because you don't know what this bull market's gonna be like. You don't know if we're gonna have a massive altcoin season. Like,
Can you look at BCH again? It's on the move.
yeah, we'll take a look at BCH. But like I said, like for altcoins, you can't really make end of year predictions because it really depends on where Bitcoin ends up going up to. Depends if we have altcoin seasons. It just depends on a lot. All I can give you is short term. Your target is 15 cents. After that, I mean, you don't know. You don't know. Anything could happen. Anything could really happen. Are you aware of massive network upgrade on IOTA? I did not know, RD. I did not know, but I'll definitely look into that, man. I'll definitely look into that. Marcus wanted cake. What's going on with cake? Pancake Swap. As soon as I wanted to buy, man, I wanted to buy Pancake Swap. Actually, the other day when I bought VChain instead, it's pumping. I mean, I knew it was gonna do it. I mean, I love me some pancake. Love me some pancake. Don't make any jokes, guys. I do love me some pancake, but yeah, Pancake Swap. I'm overall just super bullish on Pancake Swap. Super bullish on Pancake Swap. Your next targets for Pancake Swap are your 1.618 Fibonacci at 31.48, and then your 2.618 Fibonacci at 34.33. Okay, so those are your next targets up there. We shall see. We shall see. I mean, man, I don't regret buying VChain. I mean, VChain's an awesome project too, but do I have to FOMO into cake so I don't have to buy it higher? I might have to FOMO into some cake. For sure. FOMO into some cake. It's always a good thing to FOMO into some cake. It's the only thing you want to FOMO into. Just don't get locked up in there. All right? Make sure you put a stop loss on that cake. All right. let's see. BTC, Ethereum, Doge, everything's kind of just chilling right now. You know? Got a sushi. When should I sell? Sushi. Man, when should you sell? I don't think now is the time to sell, right? That would be a classic.
I'm gonna buy the top and I'm gonna sell the bottom, guys.
That would be a classic buy the top, sell the bottom, right? Yeah, you have a 5x, but right now it would have been better to sell up here, not down here, right? This is when you're going to start getting a bounce. So I would probably wait till you get a decent bounce. Maybe if you really want to sell up in this area. Don't sell down here, right? Don't sell down there. I mean, that's a classic, at least on the short term, you know, selling the bottom. So that's just my opinion. You do what you want to do, though, man. Bitcoin doesn't know what it wants to do right now. Big indecision candle right now. Actually, 2 in a row. Bitcoin's kind of confused. Does it want to bounce here off inverse head and shoulders neckline? Does it want to break below? It has no idea what it wants to do. Zero idea. DL wanted Harmony 1. Check out Harmony 1 for DL. What's going on, DL? DL. What is DL? I don't know what DL is, man. Oh, no. DL is your name, dude. Here we go. Here we go. I start typing people's names. It's about this time. About 8:30. Harmony 1. I looked at it earlier. I think it was still continuing its big dip. Big dip for Harmony 1. I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff. Harmony 1. You don't really have an upside. It's mostly still just consolidating down. And now the problem is you're pretty firmly below your 4-hour moving average now. So like a lot of these coins, like you're definitely in a general downtrend here. You're not in any type of pattern. It's more so for a lot of these coins. You look at the charts, it's paints the exact same thing as BTC, right? W pattern. Same thing for Harmony. You're just waiting for that breakout of it, right? Right now you're just waiting for that breakout of the 4-hour moving average. You break that, then you got to break this level, and then you get a nice W pattern back to the upside. But right now, like we're waiting on this guy right here. Decide what he wants to do. This guy that I've been poking with a stick for 3 months now. I'm waiting for him. Will DOGECOIN rise tonight? Let me get my crystal ball. Let me get my crystal ball out for Doge.
Yeah, and if so, what time?
Will DOGECOIN rise tonight?
Nope.
All right. So that's Harmony. Sushi, I am on 5x leverage looking for an exit price. Oh, you're on 5x. I thought you were up 5x. Exit price. Going back and look at it, you've gotten a nice bounce to the upside. I thought you meant that you were up 5x once you take profits. If you're on if you have 5x leverage, I mean, you got a pretty nice bounce. I'd probably take it out relatively soon because it looked like you got a nice bounce. I'm not sure where you longed from, but pretty good, man. Paul, where is BNB going up to? BNB, sky's the limit for BNB. It really is. Love me some BNB. I've been waiting for a decent dip here. I did get a nice dip. Unfortunately, I didn't take advantage of it, but it is what it is. You don't have enough money to buy every coin, unfortunately. But yeah, I mean BNB next stop here breaks this level is 637. And then our next stop is 783. But like I said, the BNB has unlimited potential. Like it can.
Sent you a message
as much as I don't think that wait, Devontae Duke is in here? Where's Devontae Duke? I saw someone talk about Devontae Duke. All right, Binance Coin, like next target 637, 783. What was I saying before? Oh, as much as I made a joke earlier that I can't pass Ethereum, I think it could definitely catch up to Ethereum, which say like it's Ethereum's about has like a three times higher market cap. So just if it catch up to Ethereum, that would put Binance Coin somewhere around $1,800. Now I don't think it'll ever pass Ethereum, but I definitely could think it'll most likely gain on Ethereum, which obviously I think Ethereum's going to at least be at 10K. So you can do the math there. They'll put Binance Coin at least at, 2,400, probably higher because I think it'll outgain Ethereum. Probably, right? Probably, but we'll see. All right, Bitcoin on the hourly has now broken below that support. So we will see where BTC goes at the moment. Here comes everyone. Everyone's joining the stream. Here we go.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Here comes everyone joining the stream now. All right. So BNB, can you look at BCH again? Yeah, Dennis, I got you, my guy. BCH on Coinbase. BCH getting a nice, actually doing pretty well right now considering Bitcoin a little dumpage. You actually broke through 966. Next target for Bitcoin Cash, assuming that it doesn't follow BTC, assuming that it's inverse correlated to BTC, but I don't think it is. You should be going up to, 1,044 next. Your local high from April 19th. Classic W reversal pattern though. Classic. Yeah, but you gotta break 1,044 to confirm it, and the next target is 1217. Askin wants APL. Yeah, Askin, we already did APL. I'll look at it one more time. I think it's pretty sure it's this one right here, right? Yeah. You got a big pump to the upside. Formed a nice bull flag. You're forming a nice bull flag here. Upwards target is 1.5 cents. We did it earlier, but yeah, looks pretty bullish. Looks pretty bullish to me. Basic consolidation after a big rip up. Measure move is the bull flag pull. Extrapolate at your breakout point. Send you a message in Discord. Dima12. Dima12. Yeah, I don't see any message from you, man. I see no message in Discord from Dima12. So sorry, man. Dimitri, try to send it again. My Discord is Jake Hammeran, so maybe you sent it to the wrong person. I don't know. All right. So, what's going on? What's going on in the market right now? Bitcoin's continuing to dump. Doge is just chilling at 32 cents. It's not doing nothing. Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum's chilling. We're waiting on Bitcoin. Matthew, can you check out BTT? Yeah, I love saying BTT. I don't know why. It's one of those things that just kind of flows off the tongue really nicely. And you wouldn't know it until you actually said BTT, and you're like, wow, that actually does sound pretty nice off the tongue. So BTT, it's pretty much has a downward resistance other than this one fake out. Tested as support, came back into it. Now it's your resistance again. You can call it a falling wedge. which is typically a bullish pattern. Typically your breakout target of something like this would be your top, right? Which you actually did wake up to before, which is pretty funny. But 1 cent would be your breakout target if you broke to the upside of this. We're waiting on it. We're waiting on it. You zoom in. It's a little bit, they're really not doing much here on the 4-hour chart, zoomed in. So waiting for this breakout. Could stay in a little bit longer though. Could stay in this for maybe another week or so, unfortunately. If you break down, I mean, you should have some support, like at like 6.6 cents. Should have some pretty big support there. Oh, Dima, there we go. Dima, I will not. I don't open up other tabs on stream and open up stuff like that. I'll take a look at it after the stream, for sure. But I'm not gonna go on PooCoin and put a random address in. I can't do that on stream, man. But I'll do that. I'll do that off stream for you, dude. All right. What do we got going on here, guys? What do we got going on? Did we hit 1,000 Discord members yet? We got 200 plus 724. So we're at 924 Discord members, guys. If we're trying to get, we're just trying to get up to over 1,000. So I bet there's tons of you guys who haven't joined yet. We only technically need, how many? We need 75 more to get over 1,000. 75 more to get over 1,000. So let's go join the Discord. It's linked up in the top. All right, linked up in the top of the chat. Go join. Let's see. Askin said PooCoin. I know it's funny, but actually has utility. Their site monitors all the S coins so you can avoid them. Interesting. PooCoin. Yeah, I've been on PooCoin before. I've been on PooCoin. Giant piece of poop. But interesting. I went on there the other day, actually, on stream, surprisingly. But it was kind of a weird website. I opened it up and it was just a giant piece of crap on there, and I was like, what the heck is going on here? But all right, BTC, 56,000. We're pushing it. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. Not looking too great. We got rejected on our 4-hour EMA, like it was nothing. Like it was some cake. All right, what do we got going on in the Discord? All right, we just had a bunch of people join the Discord. Thanks you guys for joining the Discord. We're at 205 plus. All right, we're making some progress there. We're making some progress. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right, let's see what we got going on here in the stream suggestions tab. Let's see. Hania wants Luna. Check out Luna for Hania. What's going on, Hania? Hope you're having a good day. Luna. What's going on with Luna? Yeah, making higher lows. At least you can say that, right? Making higher lows, and you just kind of. I mean, I wouldn't take this for too much granted. I mean, you only got not even two touches here, but generally speaking, looks like you're consolidating. You're already making higher lows here, which is good to see on the 4-hour chart, but the price action just mimics Bitcoin, so it's tough to give you analysis when Bitcoin's dumping right now. So you're going to see every coin. See Ethereum's dumping. Doge is the only one that's not correlated to Bitcoin. And Luna's dumping too. So Looks like you might break down from this. You got a bunch of support levels, right? You got just looking right here, you got 1286, and then you got down here at 1221. Should hold some of those in the short term, assuming you don't see a massive red dildo. But a massive red dildo can come out of nowhere, right? Literally can come out of nowhere. So we'll see. Open. Yeah, Algo. We're gonna open some P-Man up tonight, man. I got. You know what? YOLO. I'm about to open half my P-Man tonight off stream. So if you guys want to see me open my P-Man, I'm gonna open a bunch of them off stream later on in the Discord and the voice chat. I'm gonna open up a few tomorrow during stream too. It seems like a pretty cool idea. We'll see if we'll see if I get any crazy ones. Estachio said all moons matter, of course. In reality, let's see. What else do we got here? J-Rock wants VTHO. Check out VTHO. VTHO. Let's clear this out for VTHO because we had way too much going on in there. Like that was crazy. VTHO is just consolidating though. Just consolidating pretty nicely here. Multiple touches on the top, multiple touches on the bottom. We're gonna have to see a breakout for VTHO most likely by April 22nd. So 2 days until a breakout for VTHO. Measure move target to the upside on this. If we do break to the upside, just always be aware if Bitcoin does dump, we're going to see VTHO dump as well. If we break to the upside, it's going to put you somewhere in the range of about 3.1 cents. If we break down, we got a bunch of support looking down, right? A bunch of support. Obviously, you got 1.8 cents, big line of support, where you've been trying to hold on constantly. If you do break below that, you do have like 1.7 cents. Generally, this big range, just a big range of support between 1.7 and 1.8 cents. So that's VTHO, really. Just waiting for this breakout of this symmetrical triangle. Bitcoin really going now, 55,711. So I guess you can say goodbye to that head and shoulders pattern that we had there in the hourly. At least temporarily, right? Let's see. Estachio, can you look at Uni as a request? You got it, Estachio. Uniswap. Let's look at this one for Uni. Nope, not a good chart. Not a good chart. Uniswap. Bittrex, maybe. Yeah, there we go. It's a little better. I mean, Uniswap is classic.
That's an XLM stablecoin.
Absolutely classic XLM stablecoin, right? Literally classic. So it's tough. It's tough. You're really just range locked between, really $37 and like 26.67. Until you really break out of that, there's not much here. You did get back over your 24-hour EMA, and then Bitcoin decided to started to go to the bathroom and take a big dump. So, yeah.
You think we will see a huge green Dido soon?
Huge green Dido. You definitely could. You definitely could. So yeah, you're dumping. You see Bitcoin dumping. You see Uni dumping. It's perfectly correlated. So fortunately for Uni, we gotta wait to see what Bitcoin does. If you do dip here, you do have a lot of support, right? You got support at about 28, 26, and then you got a bunch of supports down here, lower here at like 26.67, 25.13. You got a bunch of supports here, okay? But I still like Uni for the long term. I do think you're going to see other projects probably take some of their market, some of its market share. But I still like Uni for the long term. This is all just noise, right? All just noise. You go to the weekly chart. Just noise, right? Just noise. It pretty much just looks like this on the weekly chart. So. Johnny said, looking to swap some Sia coin for Tron. Any thoughts? Good show, good vibes. Thank you, Johnny. Swap some Sia coin for Tron. I like Tron. I really like Tron. Okay, I don't own Tron. Unfortunately, I'm a firm believer in not owning too many coins, not being too diversified. That's why I don't own Tron, but I do like Tron. You want to swap Sia coin into Tron. I mean, Tron's been super bullish ever since back here. Tron's been super bullish. I wouldn't blame you, man. I would not blame you. What you don't want to do for Tron is get rejected at this level, though. Because you could have maybe a head and shoulders pattern forming if you do eventually come up here, get rejected, head and shoulders pattern, push you back to the downside. But a lot of it has to do with Bitcoin, right? A lot of it has to do with Bitcoin. Now, Sia coin, I'm not too familiar with the chart off the top of my head. I don't look at Sia coin every day. I do look at most of the top 20 coins every day, though. So that's why I know Tron. But Sia coin is looking, looking all right. You're definitely in some a consolidation pattern here for Sia. I would probably, I'd rather be in Tron than Sia, just because I like being in the slightly higher caps a little bit better. I have a different, investing philosophy. Everyone has a different investing philosophy than everyone, right? I like being in the higher cap altcoins. I think a lot of it depends on how much money you have to have invested, right? So I like a little bit more safety. That's why I stick to mostly top 50 coins. I do YOLO on some coins, but for the most part, most of my money's in the top 50 coins. But yeah, Sia, I'd rather have Tron than Sia. You do your own research, but that's my take on that. All right, Matthew, what is your opinion on ADA and the new Africa news? You think we'll see a huge green dildo soon? Oh yeah. Cardano is going to absolutely moon. I think, man. So I love Ethereum, but I own a good amount of Cardano as well. Cardano is my number 4 holding. It's like my Cardano and Chainlink holding are so close to each other, especially after this week, because I did try to balance it out a little bit more. This week I did buy some, like I said, today I actually bought some Cardano and Chainlink today. But yeah, I'm super bullish on Cardano. A bunch of stuff coming out Cardano in the summer, right? Where it's going to start launching a bunch of their stuff to kind of really start competing with Ethereum. So I love me some, I'll always love me some Cardano. Always. I think we'll see a big, once the market starts picking up again, which it will happen. It will happen, guys. At some point, the market will start getting momentum up to actually the upside again. Cardano is going to be one of the leaders, as it's been this whole bull market so far. All right. Green dildo. Green dildos. Tell people Doge is trash. I want people to tell Doge is trash, man. Doge are trash, but funny. Doge is, I can't make fun of Doge. I just think it's funny. The only thing I think is funny with Doge is the people that love Doge get so offended when you talk crap about Doge. Just like that meme I just posted up there. Like, people get so offended about Doge. It's kind of hilarious. It's like, it's even more culty than Bitcoin is, I think. But yeah, I'm not going to talk crap about Doge. Not going to talk crap about Doge. I've already done my due diligence with you guys. You guys already know my opinion about Doge. Anyone that's been watching my streams all the time, You guys know my general opinion about Doge, right? You guys know. Have I heard about Bingus token? What the heck is Bingus token? Where do you guys find these? You guys just like search. You guys go on Google and are like weirdest words possible, and then you put them in CoinMarketCap, and then just look at weird coins like Bingus coin. What the heck is that? All right, Sia coin. Let's do Sia. We actually already had Sia. So Sia, we literally just did Sia. So I'm not going to spend too much time on it. If you want to, rewind. But thank you for the super chat. Breakout target to the upside on this symmetrical triangle is 6.7 cents. You break down, you get a couple supports here at 3.6 and 2.9. Just waiting for this breakout. Bitcoin is dumping, so it looks like you're probably going to retest at least the bottom of the support. But not going to spend too much time, okay? Jazz said, I have a huge bag of Doge and I love it the most. Oh yeah, I love me some Doge. I can't get enough. I can't get enough. I even want some more puppies that can grow into Doge, and you know, it's just a lot of puppies. Yeah, you guys definitely do have some weird coins though, like Bingus coin. Actually, I want to look it up. Sometimes I like looking up these weird coins because like I'm just really curious where you guys. It doesn't even pop up. What did I just see? Bing Bon. Bitcoin Bing. What is this? Some of this stuff, man. Like you can find some weird stuff. Some weird stuff in here. Let's see. Let's look at some of this weird stuff in here. Naruto. There's some weird stuff in here, man. Like, look at some of this weird cream ETH. B-meme cash. Like, look at this, guys. Like, look at this. For instance, B-meme cash. B-meme cash. On the last page of CoinMarketCap is up 8% today. So B-meme cash got you a higher return than Bitcoin did. Think about that for a second. Think about that. Come get some safe, Moon Hat. All these meme coins, man. Waffle. You guys want to buy some Waffle coin? Wow, Waffle did pretty good back here. Damn. All right, anyways, before I get too carried away, but do XTZ Mana or Algo. Grazi, happy crypto huntings. Thanks, Armashion. Appreciate it. XTZ, Mana, or Algo. Well, we did Mana and Algo already, so we'll definitely do XTZ. Love me some Tezos. People say it all differently. I like Tezos for some reason. Tezos is just kind of all over the place right now. I mean, like I said, for a lot of these altcoins, guys, like I sound like a broken record today, but it's so true. Like, it's just they're really just following what BTC does, right? Now, it's not always like that, right? It wasn't like that for the past 3 months, and unfortunately, when Bitcoin's in a general downtrend, that's gonna generally be the case, right? So, just a general downtrend, lower lows, lower highs. We'll see where we have some supports. Man, you don't want to break this level, 540. That's a pretty big level there. And then looks like 477. I'm seeing 477 as being a pretty big level as well. But you got a bunch of support in between these two levels for Tezos. But yeah, we could definitely continue down here. Definitely continue down. Bitcoin looking like it wants to start another downtrend. Unfortunately, we don't really know what pattern Bitcoin's in yet. It's not really in a confirmed pattern, which is interesting. So we're still waiting to see what the market movers are trying to paint here. Leonardo DiCaprio. Just kidding, guys. Remember I said yesterday, I said Leonardo DiCaprio? Leonardo da Vinci. We're seeing what Leonardo da Vinci is trying to paint here. We don't really know what he's painting right now, but we shall see. We shall see. What's pumping right now, guys? You guys have any big pumpers right now? And don't troll. I want to actually know what's pumping. Actually, let me go to... actually, no. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Looks like CeeLo. CeeLo is going off right now, apparently. Wow. Look at CeeLo. I mean, it wicked back down, but... I think it was up like 69% today. But yeah, it was at 75% today for CeeLo. So congrats whoever was in CeeLo.
Strap up.
Surprised
We're going to the
that,
moon.
since it went up 75%. That's pretty good. You almost went right up to your 1.618 fib. You didn't quite get up to it, but got pretty close.
Who's cooler, you or Makuji Crypto YouTuber?
Who's cooler, you or Makuji Crypto? I don't know who Makuji Crypto is, but I think I'm definitely cooler than like. So I might not be better than a lot of crypto YouTubers, but I'm definitely cooler than most crypto YouTubers, right? I'm definitely cooler. Like if you guys had to hang out with any crypto YouTuber, seriously, like I would be the person to hang out with for sure. I'm a pretty fun time. All right. What else do we got going? You guys are saying a bunch of weird coins. Someone's saying XRP is pumping. I highly doubt it, especially with Bitcoin dumping right now. XRP's not pumping, man. Don't be fibbing, guys. All right, we don't fib in the stream here. We don't fib. The only fib we do is the Fibonacci targets. We don't fib in here, right? We tell the truth, and the truth is XRP is not pumping right now. But if you want to know XRP seriously, symmetrical triangle, same exact price action as BTC. Getting rejected under 4-hour EMA. You probably come back down to the bottom here. Engine.
ENJ, please.
Oh, Jason, if ETH 2.0 upgrade fails, what coins do you think pick up the slack? Cardano and Polkadot. Cardano and Polkadot will be the next ones up if, for whatever reason, Ethereum fails. But even if Ethereum 2.0 upgrade fails, I still think Ethereum will be the top dog. But I think Cardano and Polkadot would probably take some of Ethereum's market share if that was the case. Good question though, Jason. Thanks for the super chat. House of Good Vibes. I don't know, man. He's Canadian too. I'm not Canadian. I'm not Canadian though. So joke's on you. I'm actually somewhat near Canada. I'm in Massachusetts, United States. Somewhat near Canada, right? I can drive to Canada in a couple hours. Right? I think it's like 5-6 hour drive. I can get to Canada, I think. But I'm not from Canada. I don't know. I really don't know who Makuji Crypto is. I know a lot of crypto YouTubers. I watch a lot of videos myself. But I don't know who that is. Lady Kayo, Engine Coin. Let's do that. We also had Dave White with the $5 super chat. Thank you, Dave. Appreciate it, man. Engine Coin. Let's see what Engine Coin's doing. If you guys are new to the stream, like I said, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm here every day from 7 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so make sure you guys don't miss out on any of my streams. Make sure you guys also hit that notification bell so you guys, sometimes YouTube doesn't want to pop it up on the home screen, so if you hit the notification bell, it definitely helps you out in that regard, okay? All right. Engine is, what is Engine doing? What is Engine doing? We talked about Engine earlier. It kind of just has a upward sloping support line here. Really, you just either want to break this upward sloping trend line or break this green line at 312. But you're getting rejected on the same thing on your 4-hour EMA. You're probably going to continue down to the bottom here for Engine, most likely at this point. And unless we see Bitcoin have some crazy rally within the next couple hours, you probably continue down.
Crazy again. Ciao.
But you got a bunch of supports over here, a bunch of supports. So I don't see it going lower than even your previous low. It's going to be tough. Like even your previous low is like a 16% drop. So it might be tough for you to break that previous low. My notifications ain't working. POS YouTube. Yeah, I mean, notifications are definitely a problem with YouTube the last couple of years. They don't usually work. They don't usually work. I miss the old YouTube days where like the home screen was like also was like your subscription screen, and like I'm talking like years ago, like 2010 to like 2010 to like 2015 times in YouTube. Way better in my opinion. Please do TA on Sushi or Matic. Kratzy again. Ciao. Yeah, we did Sushi and Matic actually already during the stream. We'll do Sushi. Sushi. Looked at it earlier. I mean, there's not much TA to do on coins like this, man. You're just kind of rounding out, getting support here. 1 support, 2 support, 3 support, trying to hold 1140. You break 1140. It's most likely you come back down to 826, most likely, just looking left. So just be prepared for a pretty big drop if you do. Obviously, a lot of it depends on what BTC does. If BTC starts pumping again, you're probably going to see Sushi continue back up to this green line at 1374, but not looking too good right now for BTC at the moment. Definitely not looking too good. Let's see. Can you let me know if he's legit? Makuji Crypto. Let me look up. I can look up here on YouTube. Let me look up on my other screen over here. Makuji.
Can you let me know if he's legit? Makuji Crypto.
Makuji Crypto. I never heard of this dude. So he has 10K subs. He talks pretty much about Bitcoin.
Chart on Coin Trader Pro.
He pretty much talks about Bitcoin for the most part, it seems like. Yeah, I mean, he talks about a bunch of coins. I mean, I'm not going to watch one of his videos right now, but I mean, just by the look of his channel, it looks pretty legit, man. House of Good Vibes. All right, so we did that. AGN, Sushi. Alex wanted RNDR. So let's do RNDR for Alex. RNDR. Render token. Pretty big pullback. Just a pretty big pullback here. That's all it is. Let's see what you're trying to hold. Yeah. I mean, basically on this dip, you came back down, made a double bottom here on your previous resistance back here from March 23rd. And you're trying to get back to the upside, but it's not allowing you. Just keep getting rejected on the 4-hour EMA, right? I mean, in today's stream, I feel bad because I'm literally just repeating myself, but like every chart looks the exact same. So like until we start until these altcoins start branching away from BTC again, it's really the name of the game, right, guys? I mean, that's the way it is right now. That's RDN. We break down, should have good support at 108. It's going to be tough for you to break 108. Now, if you break 108, could be coming back down to like 90 cents, right? As supports. All right. We're not really seeing any movement right now, guys. Like it's Stashio on MBX. Let me do MBX for Stashio. Like I said, we're not really seeing much movement right now. So it's like one of those things. Like, yeah, I could sit here and keep drawing the same charts over and over and over again because every coin looks the same. But we don't really have much going on. MBX. I think is MBX mobile pay? I think it is. MBX MobiPay. Yeah, MobiPay. So MobiPay is. You keep trying to get support. Keep trying to get support at the same level. It really depends. Like, you get back above this general level here at like 2 cents. You get back above that, you're going to be pretty good in the short term here. Go to the 4-hour chart. You're going to be pretty good there in the short term. If you can't get back over that, you probably come back down to 1.4 cents. You did have nice bullish divergence. It played out a little bit, but hasn't really got any traction here in the short term, unfortunately. You know? Win looks rocket. And we looked at Win earlier. It wasn't really doing much just yet, you know? But it definitely could. A lot of people like Win in the Discord. A lot of people. If you want to join the Discord, links right in the top of the chat, guys. Go. Feel free to join. Feel free to join. Let's see if we hit the target here. We are at getting closer there. 193 plus. Yeah, so we only need about 40 more to hit 1,000 there. So if you guys haven't joined the Discord, make sure you guys go over there. Who has bigger biceps, me or Makuji Crypto? Me for sure. 100%. I'll take Makuji Crypto all day, just by looking at him. I probably take most crypto YouTubers. Most crypto YouTubers aren't in shape at all. Just by looking at them, most of them aren't in shape. I'd probably take most crypto YouTubers. But let's see. I think they both have pretty big biceps. No, nothing like me, man. What's up with your obsession with Makuji Crypto? It's kind of funny. Like, you're super obsessed with Makuji Crypto. Let's see. What else we got? Who has bigger... Makuji Crypto, man. All right. Guys. BTC's not doing anything. Right? Victor said, what the F is going on? This is 420. This is bullshit. Yeah, man. It's kind of a boring 420. I was expecting some fireworks here. I was expecting some Elon tweets about Doge. I was expecting, maybe Bitcoin and Ethereum to do some crazy stuff, but nothing's happened. It's been kind of boring. And you guys can see the viewers are dwindling down because people are probably, puffing the ganja, falling asleep on their laptops right now because crypto's doing nothing, right? What's going to keep them up? Me talking about the same altcoins, having the same charts? Because everything's just super boring today. It really is. It really is. It was kind of a disappointment here as far as price action goes. It was looking good when I started the stream. Bitcoin was really starting to rip, and then all of a sudden it's just like started to die down, unfortunately. It really started to die down. So, Makuji said, I heard you talking smack about my biceps, man. I'm just kidding, man. Thanks for joining the stream, though, dude. Hope you're having a good one. Channel looks pretty good, man. Keep up the hard work, man. I know sometimes it could be a lot of work, but keep up the good work, man. Looks good.
I heard you're talking smack about my biceps, man.
VeChain is a good project. VeChain's an awesome project, man. One of my favorite projects. One of my there's a reason why I invested a good amount of money in it a couple of days ago on the dip, right? The coins I really bought the dip on. I mean, I bought my top 5. I've been stacking my top 5 for months. I mean, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Cardano, and VeChain. Stacking those like crazy. You can Theta is a little bit behind now, but I'm a big believer in Theta too. Obviously, for what I do, Theta is pretty useful. So I have to kind of support Theta, but Let's see. Dogecoin's not going to fail. Dogecoin's not going to fail. Here we go. Oh crap, those look like cookies. Alright. Guys. So, I might call it a stream just because there's literally no action going on as far as like the top cap alts. Just because like there's literally nothing going on. I'll take a look at Harmony 1. Unless we start seeing some crazy price action coming in here, dude. Like, it is what it is, man.
All good, man. Appreciate the work.
Yeah, have a good one, man. Yeah, we looked at Harmony 1 earlier. It's just having a big correction after a massive move up. Like, it's kind of predictable, right? I mean, Harmony 1 went up like almost 50%, like 5,000% to the upside. So it's due to have a pullback, you know what I mean? Nothing's going to go straight up forever. So it's getting a little bit too big to call it a bull flag. I guess it still could be. I mean, it's more of a longer term one. More so on like the daily chart, but more so on the daily chart. Still could be in some type of bull flag action going on here, but just a nice bullish consolidation here. Just waiting for Bitcoin to wake up, right? Get the stick out, poking it really hard, and hoping something starts moving, you know. Touched on one. Yeah, we looked at one earlier, Dave, too. So the timestamps will be posted after the stream. Kevin with a $10 super chat. Thank you for hanging out, Kevin. You're always here, man. Appreciate it, dude. Appreciate it, dude. DOGECOIN. All right, guys. It's. Hold on. Are we seeing some moves from BTC right now? 55,782. Are we seeing something going on right now? We're seeing something. 55,793. Come on, BTC. Give me some action here. Make me stay on a little bit longer, you know? I don't like cutting it short, but like when there's nothing to look at, it's interesting. Let's take a look at page 2 altcoins, right? Maybe we can take a look at page 2 altcoins. I mean, that's the least we can do at this point, since we're getting like no price action going on. Let's take a look. Sinatropy up 35%. Cody up 31%. Injection up 19%. We're seeing some page 2s making some moves, huh? Vitor, another one. Vitor, popular token right now. Up 872. Kyber Network's a popular one. Yeah, we're seeing some big moves up here from some of these tokens. Sinatropy looks like it mooned recently. Holy crap. Yeah. Sinatropy went off earlier today. I'm not sure why. Transforms the public internet into a secure and user-centric internet where encryption and performance are built in and automatically enabled to anyone and anything connected. All right, so internet token. Sinatropy looks interesting, man. Who knows what's going on with this thing? But yeah, this thing actually pumped today for some reason. All right, guys, I'm probably going to call it a stream. Like, it looks like Bitcoin's pumping right now, so you guys can watch it off stream. I'm hoping that, just to finish it up, if Bitcoin can get back above 56,374, that's pretty good. If it comes back up here, gets rejected again, that's not so good. It's not so good. You could have kind of a head and shoulders pattern going on here. If you come back up, get rejected here, come back down, definitely could have a head and shoulders pattern forming here. So we will see what happens here for BTC, but we'll see. We'll see. It looks looking like it wants to pump back up again. Let's go check out Maker. All right. And the super chats come in. All right, let me finish up with some of these super chats, and then we'll see what we got going on here. Maker is, let's see, Maker is just consolidating in a nice symmetrical triangle pattern here, right? Nice symmetrical triangle pattern here, waiting for the breakout. Price action looks pretty similar to Bitcoin, so just be wary that whatever Bitcoin does, that's going to be the direction it's probably going to go, at least till some of these altcoins start decoupling from Bitcoin. You know? So, like, yeah, we'll check it out. So, yeah, your measure move target to the upside is 47.55. And to the downside, you got a bunch of supports to the downside, right? These two local wicks up here should give you some support, right where you kind of had your last dip to 29,035 is probably where you dump back down to if you come back down. But like I said, watch BTC today. Everything's pretty correlated to BTC until BTC starts making some headway again. We start seeing the altcoins decouple. Asking it, SafeMoon is legit. Can you please end the FUD and visit their site and look at their plans and accomplishments for us? Yeah, maybe I can do it tomorrow, man. Or maybe I'll have it set up tomorrow for you. I just don't. I don't look at other sites while I'm on stream for safety reasons and stuff like that. But yeah, I could check out SafeMoon tomorrow. I'll have it up for you if I have the time. And the FUD. I don't know if it's so much FUD, man. It's more of just a lot of people don't understand what it is, including myself. It's just kind of a long known as a meme coin. All right, but that's the stream, guys. I'm going to call it a stream here. Thanks all of you guys for coming out today. I wish the price action was a little bit better, but hey, you can't ask for every day to be good price action. Looks like hopefully Bitcoin can get a pump up here overnight and not form a head and shoulders pattern in the short term. All right, so make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new. You guys are freaking awesome. We hit 26,100 on the stream today, so that is pretty awesome as well. Like I said, I'll probably be hanging on the Discord a little bit after the stream, like usual. Maybe I'll open some P-Man cards, or P-Man tokens, or NFT, whatever you want to call it, after the stream today in the Discord. So I'll catch you guys later. Make sure you guys have a good night. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't panic sell your crypto, and especially, don't FOMO into Doge if it pumps. Just kidding, all you Dogers, right? One more time before you guys go. Don't be fighting in the Discord about Doge either, all right? Oh. Peace.